So you want to know about area rug cleaning. Maybe you're trying to clean pet messes out of your rugs or keep them allergen-free. Maybe you've never had your rugs cleaned before. A proper area rug cleaning can accomplish these benefits and more. But where do you start? What's the difference between in-home and off-site cleaning? And what's our cleaning method? Well, today we'll answer those questions and explain what to expect from a proper area rug cleaning. Let's get to it. There are a lot of benefits in having your rugs professionally deep cleaned. Cleaning and caring for your rugs can extend their life for years, ultimately saving you more money. If you have pets, then you know pet messes, hair, and oils can dirty your rugs. A professional cleaning can treat these issues and more. We have area rug facilities in centralized areas around the country where our trained technicians deep clean both sides of your rug, as well as treating spots, urine, odors, and any fringe. We also offer pickup and delivery services. The benefits of having your rugs cleaned in-home is speed and convenience. If you need your rugs cleaned same day, ask our technicians about in-home area rug cleaning. Once your rug is at our facility, we'll perform a thorough inspection to assess problem areas and determine the best method to properly clean your rug. Next, we run it through our automatic duster to agitate and release dirt hidden deep within the fibers. The rug is then submerged in our automated wash tub, where our cleaning solution lifts any remaining dirt. This process is very gentle and can take over an hour. Once removed from the tub, we gently scrub both sides and then treat it for any remaining spots. The rug then gets a final rinse and is placed in our centrifuge to spin out any remaining moisture or contaminants. Finally, we transfer your rug to a climate-controlled environment to dry. This is also where we groom your rug and take care of the fine details to complete the cleaning. Whether you're a homeowner, a business, or a community gathering space, a professional area rug cleaning from Stanley Steemer will make your space a cleaner, healthier, and more welcome place to enjoy. Call or go online to book an area rug cleaning today.